Good morning, I am Usha. Third class in Prashanti UP School.
Good morning, Tejaswi. Third class Prashanti UP School. Usha, I am asking some questions.
Okay, sure, Tejaswini.
Who did the old woman behave with mother villagers?
The old woman was kind-hearted and helped the villagers whatever way she could.
What did the old woman's son want?
The old woman's son wanted rich and wealth.
Who was the old woman's best friend?
The neighbor was old woman's best friend.
Whom did the God reverse?
The God rewards those who do good deeds.